Geography summer task. Give short answer. What do we care our water resources? Earth is a water world. Life owes its existence on the earth because of the presence of huge resources of water. This makes the earth unique from other planets of the solar system. The importance of ocean can be summarized by following points. Water have a great potential for wave and tidal. Water have vital economic importance due to tourism, particularly island countries like Sri Lanka. Water are source of minerals like oil, gas and salt. Ocean are rich sources of fishes. Many creatures depend and live in the ocean. The ocean are home for the abundance of organisms on our planet. What can we do to save marine biodiversity? Establish marine parks to protect biodiversity, reduce destructive fishing practices such as trawling, minimize the cause of military sonar that can be harm or kill whales, help fishers to maintain their livelihoods by incorporating. Question number 3. Compare the Pacific Ocean with Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean of the world. Its area is about 166 square kilometer. Its average depth is 4 to 80 meters. Pacific Ocean is located between Asia, Australia in the west, North and the South America in the east. Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean. Its area is about 73 square kilometer and its average depth is 3900 meters. It is located between Africa in the west, Asia in the north, Australia in the east, and Antarctic Ocean in the south. What do you know about Marine Trench? Marine Trench is the deepest point of the Earth's surface, which is located in the Pacific Ocean. Its depth is about 36,201 feet. Differentiate between weather and climate. Weather is the condition of atmosphere over a short period of time, while weather conditions of a specific region. The climate is describing the long minimum 30 years and average. Maritime climate, cold desert climate, tropical climate, etc. Climate describes what the weather is like all along. Weather refers to short time changes in the atmosphere of time in a specific learning.
How climate change is affecting oceans. A measurable rise in the sea level will have a severe economic impact on low-lying coastal areas and islands. A rapid rise in sea level of several meters would flood large sections of the Earth's coastal plains, including many of the world's great cities. How climate change is affecting human life in terms of food supply and farming. Agriculture is major element in the world economy recently. During the drought, flood, storms, heavy rainfall, etc., agriculture is declined. Historical climate changes such as the ice age have led to extinctions of many species. Recently, human activities have accelerated the rate of species extinction. Natural ecosystem may suffer in negative ways and in ways that we cannot predict.